Michael Jackson was born 29 August 1958 in Gray, Indiana, and entertained audience near his entire life. Michael Jackson was an American singer, songwriter, dancer, and philanthropist. Known as the King of Pop, he is regarded as one of the most significant cultural figures of the 20th century. During his four-decade career, his contribution to music, dance, and fashion, along with his publicized personal life, made him a global figure in popular culture. Jackson influenced artists across many music generations through his stage and video performance. He publicized complicated street dance moves such as the moonwalk, which he is named, as well as Rebot. Michael Jackson's father, Joe Jackson, had been a guitarist but was forced to give up his musical ambition following his marriage to Katherine Jackson, mother of Michael Jackson. Together, they produced their growing family musical interest at home. By the early 1960s, the older boy, Jackie and Tattoo and Gemini, had begun to perform around the city. By 1964, Michael and Marilyn had joined as a dancer. In the early 1960s, the solo success of Michael Jackson was inimitable, and by the 1980s, he had become infinitely more popular. His brother group, record sales consistently orbited, communicated in the biggest selling album of all time, Thriller, in 1982 and 1919. The downsize as 1980s pop phenomena began to real itself. Michael grew tributary, childlike, and introverted by his peerless celebrity, a rather too timeless and navigation figure to become its with his physical appearance began to change disparatively, and his behavior grew alarming, busy, making him a consistent target for scandal making despite his nominees' charitable acts. Two brief marriage, one of the two, Elvis Presley, daughter Lisa Presley, were forgot, and two children produced by his second wife during that time, but the purpose behind them appear image oriented. Michael Jackson died on 25 June 2009 in Los Angeles, California, United States. His passion and artistry as singer, dancer, writer, and businessman were unpaired, and it is this produce a talent that will be ultimately prevail over extremely negative aspect of his troubled adult life. At his peak, Jackson was reportedly worth around $1 billion asset and 300 million to donate to charitably, more than any other celebrity. His 1982 album Thriller in biggest selling album all time with confirmed worldwide sale, and his second